A grand slam offer is so good that people feel stupid saying no. Here's the step-by-step process to create one. Step 1. Identify the dream outcome. What does your ideal customer want more than anything? Get specific. Not just lose weight, but fit into their college jeans by summer. Step 2. List all the problems. Write down every obstacle standing between your customer and their dream outcome. Every fear, every frustration, every roadblock. This is your raw material. Step 3. Turn problems into solutions. For each problem, create a specific solution. Each solution becomes a component of your offer. The more problems you solve, the more valuable the offer becomes. Step 4. Stack the value. Bundle all your solutions together and assign a dollar value to each one. When the total value far exceeds the price, the offer becomes irresistible. That's the grand slam.